Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create multiple voice variation for your video or for your voice. So let's assume you have a voice but you want a variety of the same voice. All you have to do is very simple. So this is the first thing you do. On the website, you just go to the voices section and then you can choose my voices here. So once you select a voice of your choosing, you can either edit the voice there or just go to your I'm having a little network lag. Okay, you can go to your text to speech option, and here we can regulate or change the voice we want to give us different variation depending on what we intend it for. So this is so this is supposed to be a voiceover for a particular project I worked on. So for this now, we can select let's assume we've chosen the voice we want here. We can choose a model that will be suitable for what we want, but I think I'll leave it with this particular model. We can select this. We can also go to show all models and it will give us a view of all the models. So but since we want this voice variation, all we have to do is scroll down here and choose the speed we want it to um, talk at. So it's either we make it slower or faster. We can make it more variable or we can make it more stable. This stability means that it is closer, there is the risk of it change there is a lower risk of it changing the voice over time. And this similarity means that we want it to be as high as the voice is, that the similarity should be very close to the original voice. So obviously this is how to change to get multiple variation of the same voice. So you can have some to be slow, you can make it more stable, slow, and low, or you can have it faster with more variability and low or high. So this is how to change your variation on 11lab voice. So if you've enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment below and subscribing to the channel. Thank you and do have a great day.